In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your WordPress site in a fast and easy way. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling appointments, and integrating it into your WordPress site can streamline your booking processes like never before. Let's jump right in and make that happen. First, you'll need to head over to the Calendly website. So, open your web browser and type in calendly.com. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. But if you're here, I'm guessing you already do. Once inside your Calendly dashboard, you're going to focus on the event type you'd like to embed. Find your event type and look for the Share button. This should be right there on your screen when viewing the event details. Click on it, and you'll see various options to share your Calendly link. Now, out of the options presented, look for Add to Website and click on it. There are multiple ways you can embed Calendly into your website, such as via inline embed, pop-up widget, or pop-up text. Each option has its own use case, but for a seamless experience, let's go with the inline embed option, which places your Calendly event directly on your page. After clicking on Inline Embed, follow through with the dialog and click on Continue. This will guide you to the essential part of this process, which is obtaining the embed code. You'll want to make sure that the settings you've chosen suit your needs for how you'd like this to appear on your site. Once satisfied with your choice, go ahead and copy the embed code provided. You'll find a handy Copy Code button to make this step a breeze. With your embed code copied, you can now close out of the Calendly embed options. The next steps will occur in your WordPress dashboard, so head over there. Navigate to the page or post where you want your Calendly form to appear. Here, you'll want to click to add a new block. Scroll through the available options and look for Custom HTML. Select this block type to input your code. In the Custom HTML block you've just added, paste the embed code. It's as simple as that. Once you're done pasting, ensure to click Update or Publish to save your changes. Once updated, it's a good practice to take a moment to view your site, verifying that the Calendly integration looks and functions as intended. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Calendly into your WordPress site, enhancing your ability to schedule appointments directly from your website. This streamlined setup not only looks professional, but also optimizes your booking efficiency for both you and your clients. Thanks for following along today, and happy scheduling.